Are you looking for a side income or preparing yourself in case anything happened to your main income? Or do you hate your 9 to 5 job? If yes, you are at the right channel as I will be sharing on how you can achieve that with a true passive income. Coming up. So what this guy have been doing in his 20s to earn this kind of living? In his latest program called Passive Income Lifestyle, Odi shares his proven method on how to achieve a passive income lifestyle. He even shared on his journey to become a multi-millionaire and step by step on how to do that. Before I forget, check out my description to get a 50% discount for Odi's latest program. I'm not sure how long he will give that 50% discount, so you better be quick. Before we go further on the program review, let me tell you a bit on Odi's passive income concept. Passive income is a way for you to generate your income even when you sleep. Meaning, you will first work on to generate your income, and when everything laid down, of course with a system, you will then just earn the income without the need to work on it anymore. In other words, it's like separating your time from money. How would that change your life if you can do 1k per month, 5k per month, or even more than 10k per month? Imagine that. And that is just the beginning, as if it's done correctly, passive income usually will have an exponential growth. The idea is not just earning a passive side income, but eventually freedom to do what you want, freedom of location, because you can work from anywhere in the world, freedom of time, because when the business is running on autopilot, you basically don't have to do anything, but the money still flows into your pocket. For example, doctor, right? They are making a lot of money, but do they have time? And of course, freedom of money. Nice, right? But how Odi achieved this? It is all by doing affiliate marketing. There's a lot of resources on the net, but so far for me, who explored this for more than 2 years, I found it requires more time to succeed, as we need knowledge, motivation, mentor, and group of people with the same interest to succeed. Don't forget to download free ebook by clicking at the link that I have in the description. This ebook contains what affiliate marketing is all about and free tools that you can use to kickstart your own affiliate marketing. You might not have heard it before, but it helps your business, and the best part, it's free. Without further ado, let's go through what the program is all about. The program will teach you step by step from the very basic on how to create your passive income lifestyle. Affiliate marketing is only a fraction from the program that Odi will teach. He will start from choosing a niche, finding a product for you to promote, and also techniques to promote them in a really good way so that people will buy it from you. Also, to increase your revenue and to maintain your income in this area. The program has a ton of resources that you can use for you to successfully earn your passive income. Let me go through with you on how the course is like. Okay, we have like 8 weeks of course. Week 1 is just like a welcome syllabus for you, where Odi will go through what the program is all about and then how to make use of the tools and all that. So his story, and then what is passive income, so you don't have to worry if you are a beginner in passive income or affiliate marketing. In module 2, he even talk about motivation, and this, my friend, is really beneficial, because as you go through the journey, you will find that it might be overwhelming sometimes and you need a constant motivation to keep working on your goals. You might think it's nothing, but for me, it's really helped me to focus. That's why I found it helpful when Odi dedicated 35 modules talking about mindset, motivation, and productivity. As you can see, this is what I got myself into last time, shiny object syndrome, where I chase everything. So he even talk about that. And then yeah, this is it. Interesting dream lifestyle calculator. This is to motivate you to strive to get what you need or what you want. It's a motivator, really a real motivator. So miracle morning intro, how you even start your morning. Yeah, he will talk about all that. And then yeah, the list goes on and on and on, which is really interesting. When our mindset is ready, that's when he started to talk about technical stuff like what is affiliate marketing and examples of successful huge organization that uses affiliate marketing. And from there, he will then move to the secret sauce on how he actually do it. To me, it's a mind-blowing success in an affiliate marketing. Achieving more than 1,000 per day just from one product is no joke, man. And as a student, I feel blessed when Odi shared every inch of his success strategy and techniques to achieve that. And the best part is, Odi is always getting our feedback to improve the program more, as his goal is to get us to earn income from the affiliate marketing and sustain. Module 4 is where he started to reveal on his secret sauce. If you see here, so he talked about the Odi, his method revealed. So he talked about what he do each and every step on how he achieved the $1,000 every day in this module. So this module is really interesting. Best part is Odi is always getting our feedback to improve the program more, as his goal is to get us to earn income from the affiliate marketing and sustain. Meaning the program is always evolving. It does not stop there when you finish all 8 weeks of classes, as he will be adding more contents, will go deeper on each of the topics based on the feedback. How cool is that? And you might be asking, how the heck is he getting the feedback? Easy, from the weekly live session, the forum, and even email support. With that being said, let me go through the weekly live session, or in this program it's called live stream. The weekly live stream is where we gather as a group in the virtual real-time session. And don't worry, if we cannot make it somehow due to other commitments, there will be a recording on each weekly live stream. We can post questions on anything before the session, here as you can see, and during the session. So the best part is Odi is taking note on all the suggestions that we have to improve the program. The feeling that we are talking to a mentor at the other end, which can help us whenever we are stuck into something, which is important, so that we don't feel like we are left alone in the dark. So this is the recorded session for each of the live stream. As you can see, we had it every week. So when you are in the live session, you might feel like it's a bit hard to digest on what we are talking about and all that, because we are new, right? But with the recorded session, we can go through the live session again, and we can take our time to digest what Odi or other friends are talking about. So if you can see here, there's a lot. Odi tried to come up with a new topic every week so that it can help the student to discuss in this live stream. And if you can see here, there's also a sharing of 2 student success stories. Even before the 8-week program finishes, they already able to earn their own passive income. Like for example, Jonathan earned $1,500 in passive income before the 8 weeks finishes, which is great, right? When I first started at affiliate marketing 2 years ago, there is no one to give feedback to me and I feel lost. I was working, watching videos of other affiliate marketer, and I was hit by what we call shiny object syndrome, where I will do anything new that people are talking about and my effort became all over the place. It's not focused to what I should be doing. Whereas in this program, I got to share my progress with Odi as my mentor, and he will discuss with us about what I should improve in the live stream. For me, that is great as I was not only fixing my website or video but can give benefit to others in a way. After all, we are all in the same boat, right?
Your account, I'm assuming that you can split up these two things. You can split up Q-Tech reviews and Cloud Exam because they seem to be two things that are somewhat related in terms of niche because they're both technology. But I can just see from here, Cloud Exam is more about cloud services such as Amazon Web Services and also Microsoft Azure.
By the way, you are looking at my website being analyzed by Odi. Thanks Odi for the feedback. Community is another great tool that we have once we enroll into a course. This is where we can ask everything and discuss not only with Odi but with our friends in the course. So as you can see, we start by introducing ourselves to warm things up, if you know what I mean. As you can see, there's a lot of feedback and suggestion for the program. From here, Odi can improve on the program, which is really important for me. No program can be perfect when first launched. As we are the first batch of Odi's new program, we are giving feedbacks to improve it so that more people can benefit from this. It is important for us to give feedback, and it is more important for Odi to react on the feedback which he has been doing already. There's a lot of questions that we ask in the community, and Odi is really active in here as he is giving his full attention to his student. So whenever we have any doubts, stuck on something, Odi will come to the rescue. The community is really good at supporting each other. I believe that's really important to maintain our motivation. If you can see here, results from the course in the first 2 months. This is an example where people are giving motivation to others. So a strong community like what we have in Odi's program is priceless. Remember about product research tool that I talked about previously? This is where Odi lists down a lot of affiliates programs so that we have an idea to start thinking about our niche and products that we can promote. One of the challenges that I have when starting up was I'm not sure what other affiliates program are available in the market. The only one I know was Amazon Associate. With this tool, it helps to cut your time to do a research on that, and it gives us idea on what are other high ticket items that we can go for. I'm sorry, but I need to blur some details to respect Odi's effort as he's offering this valuable information only to his students. There is a lot of competition out there nowadays, and if you don't take it now, it may be too late. Before I joined this program, I have doubts like, is this a scam or is it worth to take this program? After I joined this program, I can tell you that this is not a scam. He is totally legit. I've been in this program for more than 2 months now, and the amount of knowledge and benefits that you get is more than the program price. But if the price is your concern, like me before joining the program, you can get a 30 days money back guarantee. By 30 days, you have already get 4 weeks of classes, and if you are not satisfied, there's nothing stopping you to get your money back. So basically, we got nothing to lose. Just think about your future on why we should find an alternative income for ourselves. Do you know that the world are changing nowadays? Do you know that there is a lot of retrenchment going on nowadays in IT, manufacturing and other sectors? With all those things happening, we need to make sure we are equipped so that we are ready for it. In summary, the amount spent on this program is minuscule compared to college courses, and those college courses doesn't even teach you on how to earn money online. Of course, there are still room for improvement as no program can be perfect. There are few improvements such as how to make the community more active. We already have energetic people who is having the same goal here. If we improve on that, I'm sure we can even be more success in the future. So if you get the course from me, you will get first 50% discount on the course as I'm a partner. Second, a free ebook for you to kickstart your passive income journey. I put tools that you can use to start your passive income straight away in that book. And third, free 30-minute support or consultation from me for the program via email or Skype. So what are you waiting for? Let's join the community as you might be the next multi-millionaire. Thanks for watching.